The universe is vast, mysterious, and ever-expanding, but what will happen to it? Based on current observational evidence, the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, and it will continue to do so. This means that eventually, the galaxies will move so far apart that they will become isolated from each other, and the universe will become dark and empty. This scenario is known as the Big Freeze or the heat death. It is a scenario where the universe will continue to expand until all the stars and galaxies have exhausted their fuel and burned out. The universe will then become a cold, dark, and empty place. However, there are other hypothetical scenarios, such as the Big Rip scenario, in which the universe would eventually be ripped apart by the expansion. In this scenario, the universe's expansion would continue to accelerate until it becomes so strong that it overcomes the forces holding the galaxies and even subatomic particles together, ripping everything apart. Another possibility is the Big Crunch scenario, in which the gravitational forces between galaxies would overcome the expansion, causing the universe to collapse back in on itself. This scenario implies that the universe will eventually stop expanding and begin to contract, eventually leading to a catastrophic event where everything will be compressed into a single point, similar to the beginning of the universe in the Big Bang. There's also the cyclic model scenario, which proposes that the universe undergoes an infinite series of cycles, where each cycle begins with a Big Bang and ends with a Big Crunch, and the next cycle begins again. This model suggests that the universe has no beginning or end and has been cycling infinitely. Lastly, there's the vacuum decay scenario, where the universe will be destroyed in a catastrophic event. In this scenario, a change in the Higgs field, which gives particles mass, could lead to the formation of a vacuum bubble that expands at the speed of light, destroying everything in its path. These scenarios are all based on different models and theories, and each has its own set of assumptions and uncertainties. We are still exploring the mysteries of the universe and trying to understand its ultimate fate. Cosmologists and astronomers around the world are studying the universe, observing distant galaxies and supernovae, and collecting data to improve our understanding of the cosmos. Scientists are also conducting experiments to study the fundamental properties of the universe, such as the behavior of subatomic particles and the properties of dark matter and dark energy. Thanks for watching.